Good afternoon. Today I am at the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center, or UTSWMC Rookery. This is a little plot that has been set aside by the city as a rookery. It's a nesting area for herons and egrets and other birds. It is just a few miles north of downtown Dallas. Behind me you can see the traffic. That is the intersection of Inwood and UT Southwestern Drive. And then as I spin around this way, there's a rookery behind me. Very easy to get to. It's about a half mile off of I-35, east of I-35 on Inwood. They're in the hospital district, and this is truly an amazing place because thousands, and that is not exaggeration, thousands of birds come here to nest every year. They start arriving around late February, March, and then they stay through the summer, start leaving September. Herons, egrets, all kinds of birds, and it's truly amazing. I will put links, directions, maps, and all of that in the links. And I'm sorry about the noise, but I'm next to a major intersection, so there's not a whole lot I can do about that. So I'm going to go up here and I'll show you a few more things, so hang on just a moment. I'll be right back. I've come up into the gardens just a little bit, and as you can see behind me where my motorcycle is, there's a little small parking area. There's one handicap spot and two other spots, and then sometimes people park on the curb, and then this sidewalk comes up and takes you into the rookery, the gardens here. You may have noticed my hat. Highly recommended that when you come out here, wear a hat, because in these trees you'll be walking under birds and nests. And birds do what they do, so you might want to protect your head from bird droppings. But you can walk these trails. They take you all around through the rookery. Sorry about my hand there for a moment. And as you go along, you'll start seeing the birds. So let's move a little further in and you'll see a little bit more what I'm talking about. This is the little memorial garden area. There's a little bench where you can sit. And then you can see the trees. I don't know how well you can see them. There went a bird flying by there. But these trees all around me are full of nests with birds. Quite a variety: great white egrets, snowy egrets, night crown, black crown night herons and hingas, yellow crown night herons, and others. There's a sign, and I'll go get a picture and all that here so you can see the list of what they officially say come out. I haven't seen all of the birds on the sign, but I don't doubt that they're at some point throughout the year out here. You can see all the trees. There's a little bit of opening I'm under now, and then there's a trail that you can see back up there. It takes you on around the trees. They ask you not to go in the trees. There's no trespassing because it is a bird nesting area, so you'll want to stay on the trails and out in this park area here. But it's not a problem because you'll see so many birds. Sometimes you're overwhelmed with just figuring which ones you want to take photos of first. It's truly amazing. Come a little ways up the trail, and I've got the camera reversed so you can sort of see a little better. Look up in the trees and you can see some of the birds there. In between the traffic you may be able to hear, but they're constantly talking and calling, carrying on. The trail goes back around that way. There's the sign. I've got a picture of it to add in. And then if you follow this trail around, it goes on around the woods, follows the road. And frequently you'll see birds out on the ground out here, in the trees, flying around. And we follow this trail around and it goes to a parking garage. So I'm going to go around and show you that. As you come on around the trail, I'm going to walk a little bit. There's the parking garage. You can see some little snowy egret walking on the ground in front of me there. The trail continues around, as you can see, and then as it rounds the trees, you'll come out where the parking garage is, and you can go to the left or to the right, and there are stairs that will take you up to the top. And then from up there, looking down into the trees, you can get a better view of the birds and the nests and everything up there. It's an amazing view. I have already been up there today, so I'm not going to go back up because this spring weather is messing with my bronchitis, and so I'm not going to, but I'll have photos attached to this video that you can see some of the things that I've got, all the babies, the birds, the nests. Right now it is late May, or I'm sorry, early May. It's May the 6th, and so there are a variety of birds up there, with some building nests, some with eggs, some with hatchlings that have just recently hatched today or in the last couple of days, and then some that are already getting their feathers and about a third to a quarter the size of the adult, looking like miniature adults. So you'll get quite a variety, and as the season wears on, there will obviously be more. So it is fantastic. I highly recommend, if you are close to the area, make a trip out here. Thanks for coming along this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have a wonderful time.